Oh, we'll see.
What's your prediction?
Well, what's they got? 53 straws? To get an 8, they need 400 grams, huh? You never know.
I think they have 150 straws.
I'm worried about the area that's...
Oh my.
You put another pin in there?
oh yeah, right in that neighborhood. I think they should move it a little farther. But that's okay. I can figure that out.
You can pull it down with you.
See, it's already going to happen.
Put it on the phone.
One hand.
It's breaking right
It's
here.
bending on these.
Right here. Yeah.
Pinky off.
Oh, geez.
Ours wasn't as big of a
Yeah.
deal.
So these are
Taco John Pin.
See, look, this pin peeked off.
You weren't ready for that twist, were you?
What if we just put beans across?
We're not done yet.
That's 50 total. You can see what happens when you do it.
Was it 50?
Yeah. You're gonna need to get a decent ratio. You're gonna have to hold 50 anyway.
This sucks.
Didn't it work?
Pull it tighter. Try pulling tight so it's like... We don't have enough support. It's not pulling up much.
Let it go. Up enough, it's pulling straight back.
So if we added another one,
If we added something like that. Alright, illegal?
Yeah, it looks like to me.
it looks better.
Stop.
I don't like that noise.
Good lord. What did you do?
Other chance, Alex.
How do you feel? Can you feel it on the paper?
I don't know if enough of the weight's on the paper.
Just give it a little bit of. We could put cross sections. But we could put cross sections here.
Let's see what happens. As tight as that paper is going to get. Yeah.
It's a little twit. It's a little torqued. You see that? Don't like that. Don't grab it.
Too tight though?
No, I think it's torqued because this is a little off.
You and going from one thing to another, a little ADD, OCD.
This is the one that's
1 through 14. Good. Wow, what are you at?
150.
Oh, I see.
Seriously? Should I take them off?
That thin one, yep.
That is an iPhone 12.
Ah.
You got the green here. Alright, here we go.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Pull on tighter. Maybe if we move that here.
Good stuff, though.